Exchange-traded funds, or ETF, are a popular way to invest in a basket of assets. Let's look at how they work. An ETF stands for Exchange-Traded Fund. Think of it as a single product that holds many different stocks or bonds inside. There are thousands of ETFs available, offering different ways for investors to gain exposure to various parts of the financial market. ETFs are popular because they provide instant diversification, usually carry low fees, and can be bought or sold throughout the trading day. While they look similar to mutual funds, ETFs offer different flexibility and tax advantages that many retail investors find attractive. ETF, especially those that track an index, often have much lower management costs compared to actively managed mutual funds. This famous quote captures the philosophy behind index-based ETFs, which aim to own the entire market rather than picking individual winners. Understanding how ETFs function is a great first step in building your portfolio. Thanks for watching and keep learning.